Welcome back to the whole head MRI Segmentator from Smile Lab. In this demo, we'll run Domino in FreeSurfer space and review the results. Open your browser, go to gracewebtool.versal.app and press Enter. Click FreeSurfer space. Click Upload and choose a de-identified T1 weighted MRI. Select Domino. Click Run Segmentation. Confirm the viewer loads. Image render with a 3D option and real-time inference updates. Watch the progress as Domino runs. Scroll through slices and monitor status updates. Remember, uploaded volumes are sent to the backend to compute segmentations. Results are not for direct clinical decision-making. Do not upload data with direct identifiers or data that violates your data use or ethics agreements. When inference completes, review the segmentation in 2D scroll axial, coronal, and sagittal to check boundaries and coverage. Switch to 3D. Rotate and zoom to inspect whole head structure and overall fit. Switch back to 2D. Click Download to save the segmentation for downstream analysis. That's the Domino demo in FreeSurfer space.